Equivalence relation. To prove equivalence relation, it has to satisfy three conditions such as reflexive, symmetric, transitive. Now let us see what is reflexive. If A comma A belongs to R, for every A belongs to A, then we will see it as reflexive. Now let us see symmetric. If A comma B belongs to R, implies that B comma A belongs to R for all A comma B belongs to the given set A. Transitive. If A comma B belongs to R and B comma C belongs to R, implies that A comma C belongs to the relation R. For all A comma B comma C belongs to the given set A. Let us see the problem. Let R be the relation in the set A which contains 1, 2, 3 given by R equal to 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 2, 1. Solution: reflexive. In this, A comma A belongs to R for all A belongs to A. That is 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3 is there in the relation R. Therefore, we can say R is reflexive. Next one is symmetric. Here R is symmetric. A comma B belongs to R implies that B comma A also belongs to R for all A comma B belongs to A. That is 1, 2 is in the relation. 2, 1 also is there in the relation. Therefore, we can say it is symmetric. Trivially 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3 is there. We no need to check. 1, 2 and 2, 1 should be present. Therefore, we can say R is symmetric. Transitive. A comma B belongs to the relation R, and if B comma C belongs to the relation R, implies that A comma C belongs to the relation R. All A, B, C belongs to the given set A. That is 1, 2 is there, 2, 1 is there. We should have 1, 1. 1, 1 also is present. Therefore, we can say the given relation is transitive. Since it is reflexive, symmetric, transitive, it's an equivalence relation. Let us see one more example. The set A is 1, 2, 3 up to 14 is given, defined as R equal to x comma y such that 3x minus y equal to 0. Solution: given set A and the relation R is given as 3x minus y equal to 0. We can take y to the right hand side and then we can write y equal to 3x. Now by taking y equal to 3x, substitute x as 1, 2, 3 and so on, we can find the relation. Condition is x comma y should be in the relation R. So by substituting, we get 1, 3, 2, 6, 3, 9, 4, 12. If we substitute x as 5, we'll get y as 15. 15 does not belong to the given set A. Therefore, we have to stop up to 4, 12. We'll check reflexive. In this, 1, 1 does not belong to the relation R. Therefore, R is not reflexive. Not only 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3 up to 14, 14. All should be present. At least one is missing also, it is not reflexive. Symmetric. 1, 3 belongs to the relation R, but 3, 1 does not belong to the relation R. See the relation, 3, 1 is not present. Therefore, R is not symmetric. Whenever it is not true, you can give example. You can give the number and say it is not reflexive, not symmetric, like that you can say. Transitive. 1, 3 belongs to R. 3, 9 also belongs to R. Then 1 comma 9 should be present, but in this 1 comma 9 does not belong to the relation R. Therefore, R is not transitive. Therefore, this is not an equivalence relation. Next example, show that the relation R in a set A of all books in library of a college given by the relation is X and Y have same number of pages is an equivalence relation. Solution, reflexive. R is reflexive as X and Y have same number of pages where X belongs to A. That is, we go to library and we'll take a book. Example, the page is 100. The book contains 100 pages. It is reflexive to itself. Now, to prove symmetric, we have to collect two books. Let us consider X and Y have the same number of pages. The book X and Y have same number of pages. Example 100, 100. Does Y and X have same number of pages? Yes. Because same book only we are referring. So Y and X have the same number of pages. Since both are equal, that is X comma Y belongs to R implies Y comma X also belongs to the relation R. Thus, R is symmetric. Transitive, X comma Y have the same number of pages and Y and Z have same number of pages. Then X and Z have same number of pages. All books are having same number of pages. That is, X comma Y belongs to R, Y comma Z belongs to R, which implies X comma Z belongs to R. Thus, R is transitive. Hence, R is an equivalence relation. Since it satisfies reflexive, symmetric, transitive, R is an equivalence relation.